So go to the this PC. Man, this when you go to the this PC. This PC. Select the this PC. On the left hand side, right click, right click, right click, and type. Sorry, right click and properties. So system to system, these steps will vary. Okay. Okay. Click on the advanced system setting. On the right hand side, advanced system settings. Okay. Now can you see that environment variables? Click on that. Python. Okay. So click on the new. Type Python underscore home. Python underscore home. PYTH in capital letters. Everything must be capital letters. Okay. Python underscore home. Go back to folder structure. Copy that and paste it there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, click on OK. And go to path. Select the path. There is a path variable. Select that path. Click on edit. Click on new. Above, click on new. Type percentage. Type percentage. Python underscore home. Whatever the name that you have given, you have to give it here. Okay. And can you go to that Python folder?
Yes.
Yeah. Keep this window as is. Go to that path. Paste here. Yeah, enter. So you can see, okay. And scripts is there, right? Okay, copy that scripts, the name, the folder name. Copy that scripts, folder name scripts. Not that way. Do right click, rename. No copy.
No.
No copy. Done?
Yes.
Now again click on new. Type percentage Python underscore home percentage.
Okay.
Slash forward slash. Yeah. Copy that name that you copied. Scripts. Okay. Now click on OK. So this is how you set the environment variable. First, you give the path of the Python, and then in the path variable, you give that I know the Python underscore home, and then Python underscore home slash scripts. Okay. So click on OK again.
Now click OK.
Yeah, click OK. Again OK. Close this window. Folder. Close this window also. Now close this command prompt. Close this command prompt. Now reopen the command prompt.
Okay.
Type Python minus version space Python space minus version.
It's not recognized.
You typed wrong, right?
Yes.
Okay, try it again. Small p, not capital P. So even the small letter capital also matters in the programming language. Minus version. Fine. Happy.
Got it.